commentator here at Overzealous number 16 of Kofi's OMG. Let's go ahead and get started. Now, Calm Animal is one of the only Bowser mains that we have here in North Texas, with Azer being one of the few Snake players up here as well. But both are very good at their character, and Azer just showing his great projectile game and just the ability to stay away on Snake. Tries to get the sleeping dart, but gets punished for it. Oh, nice back throw by Bowser. Bowser's got really strong kill throws. Oh, and a sneaky forward smash by Snake. Since Bowser flying, there's the hidden C4. Going for those up throw combos on Snake. Oh. Nice by Bowser. Trying to get that sneaky forward air. A little bit of shield pressure with some jabs on Snake. Oh, missed forward air. Oh. Gets it back air. Snake using the forward smash to try and keep Bowser from get back on ledge. Just rack up a little bit more damage. Bowser being as heavy as he is not as easy to kill for just a little moves. So Azer's just trying to rack up as much little damage as he can before going in for the rip kill. Oh, nice power shield. And a forward air. Calm Animal really makes Bowser seem a lot faster than he actually is. Oh, C4 kills off the top for Snake. But Calm Animal's really good at maneuvering Bowser around and just getting him to... I mean, it's really deceiving on how quick that Bowser's moves come out. Especially, a lot of people just don't even have that Bowser matchup. Oh, a sneaky C4 gets him on ledge. Azer just trying to rack up a little bit more damage. Trying to go for that up air to send him off the top so he can combo into that C4. Oh, sneaky sleeping dart. Almost got him. He's going to go for the up air. There's the C4. Nice kill off the top. Reloads the tranquilizers. Azer's going to go ahead and set up here just a little bit more. Dropping those grenades. He's going to try and keep away. He really just does not want to get close to Bowser. There you go. Another forward air sends him off. I believe that's 3 forward air kills off for Bowser. Getting him off the top. Azer just... There you go. Azer just trying to rack up just a little bit more damage. Oh. Can't quite Bowser's side on this game, but he almost got it. Azer just really grenade pressure. Ooh, almost gets him with the last one. Nice forward air by Azer. Fantastic. Azer's going to go ahead and take game 1. So, Calm Animal's trying to get Azer to go to a smaller map to get him to get those easy kills on Snake. But the thing about Snake is actually deceptively really heavy. Trying to get those quick grenades. Oh, missed L cancel, gets punished. Trying to put the big turtle to sleep. Misses a forward air. Oh, Bowser's armor gets Snake off guard. Oh, catches him with the down air, gives Snake off the side. There's Snake trying to set up. Oh, nice back throw. Charges up the up smash. Doesn't really get a whole lot more knockback. Gets a little bit more damage. Nice sleep into forward air. Allows him to reload the tranquilizer. Calm Animal's just trying to get him off the top. A back air, trying to get another sneaky tranquilizer in there. Grenades himself, gets some distance. Oh! Nice forward smash. I believe that connected. And there you go. Azer just sets up his bombs on either side, but it's not enough. Calm Animal kills him off the top with a nice up air. Calm Animal's more than happy to sit on that ledge until Snake comes down. Wow, and Bowser's just really just slapping Snake around. Nice amount of damage, puts him to sleep. Trying to get those grenades. Oh, gets him with a C4. He's looking to maybe get a nice, Snake's looking to get an up air, or there you go, that's enough to finish Bowser off the top. It's a really small map, so both players are just trying to play keep away until they get enough damage and then really just go for a quick kill move. Both are available and doing it. Nice chain throw. Catches Bowser into a oh, Azer runs into his own landmine. Trying to get a grenade. A little bit of a down tilt claw over Bowser. Calm Animal's got the lead. Nice forward air. Azer resets his landmine. Trying to get a little bit more grenade damage. Looks like Calm Animal's just trying to get him to trap himself in his own traps. Azer's just gonna make a little bit of distance with these explosives. Oh, nice forward air. Calm Animal chain ties it up 1-1. No need to watch that victory screen. They're ready to go into game 3. Doesn't want to go to a flat stage. Oh, takes him to Lilac Breeze.
2, 1, go!
Azer laying out his traps. Trying to get that C4 off without Calm Animal noticing. The quick back throw. Ooh, Calm Animal almost gets him with the down B. Nice forward smash. Oh, puts Bowser to sleep. Catches him with the C4. Sends him with a forward tilt. Maybe Calm Animal's gonna try and keep his distance. Oh, another forward smash sends him off the edge, and there goes that C4 as well. Sends the grenades out. Oh, Azer misses the forward tilt, or the forward air. Excuse me. More shell spinning. Doesn't quite get the C4. There you go, he got it that time. Gonna use that forward smash, try and get some more damage, but Calm Animal dodges the other way. Trying to get a little bit more mortar damage going down. Catches him with the C4, and that's enough to kill off the top. Allows them time to reload all of his explosives and set down a little bit more traps, get trapped up and set up for this next stock against Bowser. Doesn't really have, just trying to play the catch-up game. Calm Animal just catches him with those raw forward airs off the side. Oh, not quite enough just yet. Jabs by Snake, trying to get the up B forward air. Oh, almost hits him with the forward smash. Puts him to sleep. Doesn't get the C4 off this time. Just lays down a landmine, just enough to float over it, but invincibility frame, Calm Animal able to just glide right over it. Oh, almost gets him with the forward smash. Is it enough for him to get back? No, landmine, perfectly spot. Kills Calm Animal off the top. Loads of Tranquilizer once again. Gonna try and set up. Nice little combo right there. Bowser's so big I couldn't even tell what was going on right there. Grenades. A little bit more grenade pressure. Snaps his neck. He's gonna go for a kill off the top. Maybe he's setting up more grenades. Really just does not want to get grabbed by Bowser right now. Oh, forward air. That might be enough. Tries to air dodge, but Bowser catches him with the down tilt. Azer's gonna use it as a grenades to get back to the platform. Bowser's just going for something sneaky right here. It's not quite enough. Maybe the down tilt? Nope, misses the down B. Grabs him. Calm Animal wins 2-1.